Setting the correct encoding when piping stdout in Python. When piping the output of a Python program, the Python interpreter gets confused about encoding and sets it to none. This means a program like this will work fine when run normally, but fail with unencoding encode error. ASCII codec can't encode character U '/*0 in position 0, ordinal not in range 128. When used in a pipe sequence. What is the best way to make this work when piping? Can I just tell it to use whatever encoding the shell/file system/whatever is using? The suggestions I have seen thus far is to modify your site.py directly, or hard-coding the default encoding using this hack. Is there a better way to make piping work?
Your code works when run and in script because Python encodes the output to whatever encoding your terminal application is using. If you are piping, you must encode it yourself. A rule of thumb is, always use Unicode internally. Decode what you receive, and encode what you send. Another didactic example is a Python program to convert between ISO 8859-1 and UTF-8, making everything uppercase in between. Setting the system default encoding is a bad idea, because some modules and libraries you use can rely on the fact it is ASCII. Don't do it!
First, regarding this solution. It's not practical to explicitly print with a given encoding every time. That would be repetitive and error-prone. A better solution is to change sys.stdout at the start of your program, to encode with the selected encoding. Here is one solution I found on Python. How is sys.stdout.encoding chosen? In particular, a comment by Toka.
You may want to try changing the environment variable Python encoding to UTF_8. I have written a page on my ordeal with this problem. TL, Doctor of the blog post. Gives you.
Do the job, but can't set it on Python itself. What we can do is verify if isn't setting and tell the user to set it before call script with. Update to reply to the comment, the problem just exists when piping to stdout. I tested in Fedora 25 Python February 7, 2013. catb.py running /b.py running /b.py less
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.